1. Hook your code is deployed, everything looks great, and then, bam! It's midnight and you're rolling back a release. Why? Because of one small oversight. Often, it's a lack of proper testing and validation in your C/CD pipeline. If you don't catch issues early, you'll face them when your users do. 3. The simple explanation C/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment. It automates the process of testing and releasing code. However, if your C/CD pipeline isn't set up correctly, it can miss critical tests. This oversight means bugs slip through, leading to broken features or worse, outages. Think of your C/CD pipeline as a filter. If the filter has holes, the bad stuff gets through. You need to ensure that your filter is tight enough to catch all the issues before they reach your users. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a startup called TechNinja, a fictional company that recently faced a C/CD disaster. TechNinja had a small team of 5 engineers. They pushed a new feature, excitedly anticipating user feedback. However, they had skipped a crucial step in the automated testing phase, assuming everything was fine in development. The result? The feature was live for just 30 minutes before users reported crashes. This led to an immediate rollback. The problem? They had missed a critical integration test that checked for compatibility with their existing system. The rollback not only frustrated users but also cost the company about $10,000 in lost revenue and support tickets. 5. What to do instead to avoid midnight rollbacks. Implement this step-by-step framework. 1. Define your testing strategy, decide on unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests. Aim for at least 80% coverage on your critical paths. 2. Automate everything, use tools like Jenkins, CircleC, or GitHub Actions. Set up automated tests to run on every commit. This ensures quick feedback. 3. Implement feature flags. Instead of deploying new features directly, use feature flags. This lets you enable or disable features without rolling back code. 4. Monitor in production. Use APM tools like New Relic or Datadog. Set thresholds for error rates and response times, for example, alert if error rates exceed 1%. 5. Create a rollback plan, document the rollback process and ensure everyone knows it. Test your rollback process regularly to ensure it's effective. By following this framework, you'll reduce the risk of midnight rollbacks significantly. 6. Common mistakes. Here are 5 common C/CD mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Skipping tests before deployment, assuming everything works because it did in development. Always run your full suite of tests in the C pipeline before deployment. 2. Lack of monitoring. Not keeping an eye on production metrics can lead to surprises. Implement monitoring tools and alert notifications for anomalies. 3. Poor documentation. Relying on team memory for processes. Maintain a living document that outlines C/CD practices and rollback procedures. 4. Ignoring user feedback. Failing to act on user complaints or bug reports. Set up a feedback loop and prioritize fixes based on user impact. 5. Not using version control properly. Making multiple changes at once without tracking. Use feature branches and pull requests to manage changes systematically. 7. Quick checklist before you deploy. Use this quick checklist. Have all tests run successfully? Are there clear monitoring tools in place? Is documentation up to date? Have you implemented feature flags? Is there a rollback plan ready? 8. Summary plus CTA and summary. Midnight rollbacks can be avoided by tightening your C/CD process. Define a solid testing strategy, automate as much as possible, use feature flags, monitor your production environment, and have a clear rollback plan. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below with your thoughts or experiences with C/CD mistakes. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tech insights. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.